What is up, guys? Sorry I haven't been posting a lot. I guess I've just been taking a little break, but I'm gonna try to get back on the grind. Today, as you guys can see, I have a dbrand. I got a package from dbrand. It's not a product, it's a culture. So let's open it up. I guess by the title you guys already know what it is, but I am pretty excited for this because I pre-ordered this back in November and we finally got it. It's the dbrand grip or something like that. It comes in a nice little plastic little case. This is gonna be an unboxing video, and I'm gonna do an installation video later on, but not today, not in this video. We got to the two, like this is like a soft, not matte black, but just like a black, and this is like a stone, or yeah, stone black, which is pretty cool. And then we got the same stone like leather red. What else did we get here? Purchased, you know you would, delivered, you're welcome, apply, there's only one correct way, and there are a whole bunch of social medias and stuff down there. But I believe these are the back, I'm gonna use the back things I'm gonna use. So the actual grip, oh, let me flip it out. The actual grip product comes in a box like this. Hold on, it's a little dark in here. Alright, I'm sorry guys, that's just a shadow. Here, let me move the camera to the right so you guys can see it better. Alright, so the actual grip comes in the, am I even calling it right? Is it a grip? I don't know. Well, we'll find out when I open this thing. So when it comes in a nice little box like this, so let's pop it open. Oh, it is the grip, the dbrand grip, impact and technology, revolutionary grip, carbon composite, skin compatible. D30 was like the thing that they were claiming the shock absorbency for the grip. You get a, oh snap, you get a don't fuck this up, follow the link, how to install it. And then what else do you get? It like opens up, let's see how, or does it not open up? Man, I already fucked it up, it's not even. Alright, I guess you don't open this part out, whatever, I don't care. Alright, so this is the actual grip in itself, and it's just a bumper. It looks just like a fucking bumper, guys. What the heck? This is basically just like a bumper in my opinion. Maybe the materials are a little sturdier. It does feel a little sturdier. What else? That's all that you got in that box. But yeah, it's like a rubber plastic sort of feel. But it's like a, yeah, that's basically like a bumper. I felt this before somewhere. Or where the volume go? The volumes are on the left side. So it'll go like this. So that's how it be. And then, well, I guess that does it for this unboxing. Cause the dbrand grip is just basically, I mean, you got your cutouts there, you got your volume there, clicky, I guess it'd sound. And it says dbrand. Volume rocker, your mute switch, all your goodies like that. Then on the top, well, that's just it. Like, you gotta put your phone in it. And then just put these skins on it. And then that's when you get the cool effect that they were showing off in the thing. But overall, guys, I think, how much should I pay for that? Probably pay for like 20 or 30 for it. For that price, it's like a good or solid feeling bumper. So that's a positive in my opinion. But if you guys want to buy this right now, I think it's like 60. And from what I can see right here, but don't quote me on this, I might change my mind after I put this bad boy on in my next video, so you guys can see how I install it with these little skins and stuff. how I think about it. But overall, right now, if you pre-order it, yeah, it's cool. You got three skins. You got 3 skins, and then you get the bumper, which is pretty cool because these probably go for 10 each, so that's worth it there. But if you're gonna pay full retail, which is like more than 30, I'm pretty sure, then I don't think it's worth it for you guys. But I mean, if you got the money, go ahead and buy it, because it's just it's like the box is cool, I guess, and just they overhyped that. Go watch the trailer they did for the grip, and that thing looked like it was like so cool. It looked beast, the colors they had, I don't know. But overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a quick unboxing. I'm gonna be doing an installation guide on the dbrand grip tomorrow, and please check out for that, guys. You guys are killing it in the subscribe button. Remember to comment, like, and just leave me some feedback. You guys are amazing, and we're on a road to 1,000. That's just the beginning. Once we hit 1,000, we're good. We're gonna make it up to like 10 million one day. But without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna go. I might start working in a couple of weeks again, so I may impact video uploads, but I'm gonna try to keep on uploading as much as I can. But see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.